Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome back. If it's your first time, my name is Amina. Thank you so much for clicking in. So in today's video guys, we are quickly cleaning this machine. My family here, they've opened the machine, and I think this you as a woman, you can also do it. It's not like so hard to do, just to take it out. The thing, I think it's the main thing that makes the machine rotate while it's washing. Yeah, so we had to take it out and check what is happening with the machine, because my machine is no longer working like as nice as it used to be before. So we had to take it out and check and clean. I think it's just old now, because we did almost everything, but still it's not fully working at its best as it used to be. So yeah guys, they did that, and then I cleaned the machine. They check under, and I got some few items I got inside the machine on the side that I don't wash alone. I have to wash with my daughter. My helper don't wash. I do all the laundry in this house, but because I have to teach my daughter responsibilities, especially when it comes to her things, so she also in charge of touching this machine. So I'm not necessarily saying it's her, but if there's a lot of hands touching one thing, it's bound to not fully work nicely at some point, because the machine is quite old. I think it's more than 10 years. Yeah, it's more than 10 years. Yeah, anyway guys, thank you so much for clicking in. I have been missing in action guys. I have been extremely busy. August have been one of those stressful months, mentally, physically. I have been busy sewing, preparing surveys. We went to not really my cousin, but she's my mom's cousin, so in a way she's my mom's cousin, fully related to me too, but like she's more close to my mom, related more to my mom. And it was really far. We had to prepare for going to the wedding and stuff. And yeah, my mom's birthday also this month happened, so the month of August was really stressful, like in all the direction. It was stressful financially, mentally, physically. So I was not fully on board with YouTube. I will watch people's videos, but I will never comment, and I won't even get time to comment, because my mind, I will be playing someone's video, but I will not really be even listening, because there was just lots in my mind. Anyway guys, thank you so much for always coming through to watch my videos. And I can see I have real sisters that are behind me, that are supporting me genuinely. So I really appreciate the love. So here we have turned the machine down. Yeah, so yeah, I actually didn't record everything that we did, but we turned the machine down. We took it out already. We already took it out here, some few things, so I was just cleaning it. Yeah, my the place where I put my machine guys, it's quite small, so always when I clean the machine, like take it out, I have to like really go all around, because sometimes there are spider webs and all that things. Yeah, so yeah guys, I did clean my machine to the fullest, and it really looked brand new after that. I do have a good hand in taking care of things generally. Like I have things way before I even got married. I still have shoes I think I own, and yeah, other things I give away, but this those special things, and they still look as if I just bought them yesterday. So machine is one of those things that it still looks proper, because I take care of it. I clean it. Like always when I wash, I clean it. I clean the filter. Yeah, only just the place where the machine sits. You can't really clean it at back, unless someone take it out the machine for me, like my husband. Obviously I have to use that benefit guys. Some other things, when you are a single woman, you have to go all the way out to do it yourself, but when you are married, like really just use your benefits. Like really, there's things that I'm a very hardworking person, if you've been watching my videos. But seriously, there's things that I just don't do on purpose. I'm like, I am married. Why should I do this? Why should I do that? I'm not talking about painting. Painting is my husband can do it, but he preferred to pay someone to do it because he don't like to do painting. So I take over those things because I don't mind doing it. At the same time, I'm also creating content, but in generally, there's lots that he do that I choose not to do. It's just when we come to these videos, people, they be thinking, oh, Shane, maybe her husband doesn't do this for her, maybe her husband doesn't do this for her, because I got this other remarks from this one of the lady that I know. I was like, Susie, that man does a lot. That man does a lot. I'm not here showing him. This is my channel showing what I'm capable of doing. I'm not here also sharing how good he is as a husband, because let's just stop there, because sometimes we come across, us who are married, we come across as if we are showing off. There's a video that I wanted to come here and put here on YouTube and just make remarks on it, because we as married people, we kind of like feel like we cannot fully share if we are happy, because now people are going to be saying, oh, you can't depend on your husband so much, you can't trust that your life will always be like that. But for now, it's like that. So I guess for now, I've realized I need to say whatever I want to say that is good. Why should I hide it just because I have to think about other people that are not married? Anyway, guys, the machine was washing better than it was before. Thank you so much for watching.